Hey guys, so this is Usman, and in our previous video, we will discuss about the filtration on Landsat 8 images. So we're done our filtration, and first we give the boundary where we need a satellite image, and next filter we apply a cloud cover that is less than 1, and third filter is applied is a date, a specific date where you want to find an image. So now the next step is to displaying that image. That you can see in you we got two images recently from 6 month to 8 month. We have the two images of this district. So now the next step is to display on this map. So the first command is the function that we use for the displaying image is medium function. So we create a variable called medium, and we apply filter over image within the filter date. So type filter date dot median and semicolon. So now we have the images in the median variable. So now I want to create now I want to create a now I want to create a layer on this map. So click on type a command map dot add dot layer and type the median. Median is this variable. So click enter. So click on the run. And you see in the layers you have two layers. One is shapefile and the second name is layer 2, where you have the satellite images. So this is my satellite image of this Sialkot area. So now we want to enhance our image by the adjusting their bands. I'll click on the setting and select the band 7. Six, 7, 5, 4 and 4. Click on apply. You can see the changes in the satellite images like this. In this image you got, and you can you can leave your gamma stretch, and this is the image you got from the Landsat 8 collection 2. So in further video we will discuss how we can do more processes on this images.